At a time when people's interest in Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif's wedding in Jaisalmer is at an all-time high, the actress was photographed with her mother visiting Vicky Kaushal's home. Katrina looked stunning as ever in white ruffle sari and statement earrings. Her mother was dressed in green salwar suit. Katrina also happily posed for the paparazzi stationed outside her house. Earlier on Sunday, Katrina was clicked at a clinic in Mumbai. Vicky and Katrina's wedding has been one of the most talked about celebrity marriages due to their privacy protocols. The Vicky wedding celebrations are taking place from December 7 to 12 at the Six Senses Fort Hotel in Rajasthan's Savai Madhopur district. Special instructions have been issued to put event-related stickers on all vehicles associated with the events. All guests attending the wedding are told to carry full vaccination certificate and negative RT-PCR report. Meanwhile, preparations for the much-hyped marriage have begun at the lavish hotel in Savai Madhopur district. An event management company has been entrusted with the responsibility of making all the necessary arrangements for the big day. Accordingly, special suites have been booked for the bride and the groom at the hotel. While Vicky will put up at the Raja Mansingh suite, Katrina will be staying at the Rani Padmavati suite, both most expensive suites in the hotel. The tariff for the suites is Rs 7 lakh each for one night. Both the suites have private swimming pools and gardens attached to them, while the windows open to a grand view of the Aravali Hills. Katrina and Vicky, along with their family members, are expected to check in on December 6 and depart on December 11. Well, according to reports, Sojat Mehendi shall be used in the celebrity wedding. A Sojat-based firm has been given an order to supply around 20 kgs of mehendi powder along with 400 mehendi cones. Sojat in Pali district of Rajasthan is known for its mehendi across the world. In September this year, it received the geographical indication GI tag from the Government of India. Vicky wedding preparations have been entrusted to 6 different vendors, which will arrange flowers, decoration, security, transportation, food and jungle safaris. A special reception will be held after the wedding ceremony. INS report.